In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to open your device's keyboard. Now, if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner, click on this gear. Then select voice typing and tap on this gray sweater next to use voice typing feature in order to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Now just click on the now visible microphone icon and start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to turn it off, tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!